Good morning, everyone. This is your screencast that will help you with today's assignment. I did post that there will not be a class meeting today due to some circumstances that have arisen with me, but I do have this screencast that will help you. I will be posting the appropriate text into Classroom, so you can use that for support, and I will send a note when I've done that. It'll be up shortly. The unit today is looking at Nigeria, which was a British area under British control, and you have your vocabulary right here. You must do this chart right here. Alright, so the chart, you're going to be looking at direct rule and indirect rule. One, the definition has been given, and you need to give details, 3 details about each, and this can be found right here, direct control. So this was the method used by France and other European nations, mostly Germany, to control the colonies. And you're going to want to read this paragraph here and come up with 3 details about direct control. British and Americans, the British were much more involved than the Americans, but the Americans did have some imperialistic goals. They used the goal of indirect power, and it's basically that the local powers, it's local government controlling daily matters, but the overall control is by the parent state. And you need to give 3 details about indirect control that's found here and through here. Nigeria is addressed here, and you're going to want to answer then these questions in a short answer form. This question here. Question 2 is going to be looking at this section here, the resistance and the legacy of colonial rule. What impact did it have on Africa? And the task is to find 3 benefits and 3 problems. Overall, imperialism did cause more damage to the countries culturally and other ways, so you can list those, and there were some positive aspects to it. Finally, you have to look at this chart and answer 2 questions from the vocabulary. Answer those 2. And that's your task for the day. I'd like this in by 5 o'clock today, so we can stay on track. If you do have any questions, I will be available in Classroom. And that's all, so have a great day.